Hi friends, welcome to our channel 7. In this video, we are going to see a rechargeable electric toothbrush from CareSmith Spark. I bought the product from Amazon for $8.99 with some cashback. I am using the product for last 1 month and I really impressed. So I am going to give a deep review about the product. This product contains lots of benefits, so please watch the video until the end. The product comes with a 20 days battery in a single charge and 2 briskets, 6 modes and toothware Bristol. So lots of things in the product and 1 year warranty, IPX7 rating, water protection, the 2 minute smart timer and Sony technology is a smart. Lots of benefits about the product we are going to see in the review. Here they mentioning it will prevent tooth decay, achieve noticeable whitening effect and improved gum health and remove up to 100% plaque. These are all with some conditions, so we're going to check everything in the review. Lots of dental benefits with the product and see this is a product, but still the manual was very important. So I'm going to give the review side by side with the manual. Please read the manual before start using the product, and we see about how to fix the head, the battery charging and everything. We are going to see one by one with the 6 modes and lots of things in the product. We are going to see one by one in the review. First we see what are the things inside the box. That's a very important. This product comes in a white color box. Quality of the box is really good and it comes in 18-month warranty are the other special thing. And see it's the actual box and the product. It contains a one toothbrush, electronic toothbrush with a big battery with the LED indicator, 3 indicators in the brush, one power button, the charger on the bottom, IPX7 rating, so no need to worry about the charging. And it comes with the 2 heads. Both are different quality. One was medium and other one was soft, but I'm using both and both are good. Both are soft, don't need to worry. Bristle is available separately in the market. I put the product link in the description and check the first comment for more details. And see it's a USB micro USB charger cable. If it was C type then it was really good, but they provide micro USB. The cable length also good. And see this is a warranty card and manual. See 12 months warranty, and if you give a review in the Amazon Flipkart page and take a photo and send to the particular WhatsApp number, you get an extra 6-month warranty. I also get this warranty and now we get a 3 months warranty. The review may be positive or negative, no problem. And this is the actual manual book. See, we're going to see one by one with the manual book. First we're going to see about how to fix the head. First one is the first time I'm also fix the head, so I a bit nervous. See, take the gap in the head and here in the press also it got T end. You can see the particular T end. You need to fix it directly and rotate clockwise. That's all. Enter in the particular gap. T end should be entered into the particular gap and rotate clockwise. That's all. If you want to remove the bristle, rotate anti-clockwise. See, this is the first time I'm also using. See, bit nervous and I remove it suddenly, but still it does not damage anything and it really is good. Quality of really build is really good. And just we need to fix the particular area. I tell once again, see the T end and the toothbrush and fix the gap correctly on the T end and rotate clockwise. If you want to remove the brush, rotate anti-clockwise. That's all. Now we see about the charging procedure. See, I am using the brush for the last 1 month. Charge lasts for 17 days. I am using both evening and morning. So 17 days battery was really good. I am using my Whoop charger and it's a 20-watt Whoop charger and it charges completes in 2 hours. They mentioned 4 hours, but it completes in 2 hours. And see, it's a rubber well protector and so it does not allow water into the enter into the press. So don't need to worry. I'm using my normal USB charging cable and with my Whoop charger. During charge, all the 3 lights starts blinking one by one. If it was low and the battery was low, all the 3 lights start blinking at the same time. And once the charge completes, all the 3 lights glowing. This is a 3 difference. You need to notify about the battery settings and see it's a manual and see what are the things. The brush is a dew point bristle, soft bristle. It's softness. Green was medium, it was soft. And the power button called is really good and 3 LED lights. Is a modes and it's a USB charging port rubber. The big battery inside the bus and the motor inside the head. See, this is the 6 modes, but I saw later in the video about the 6 modes deeply and how it sounds the brush. But I prefer first one and fourth one are the best modes. Now we see about the brush. See, this is a dew point bristle. The design was really good. First I think about the white color may attract dust and water particles because it was so salt water in my area, but there's no stain in the brush. After 1 month, easily cleanable and the finishing was really good, shining finish, stands tall and looks good. But see, this area was a little bit big because of the big battery. The build quality good. I don't worry about this. Bristol also really good, but the handle was really big because of big battery and the button quality fine. 3D LED indicators also working fine under the sunlight. Don't need to worry. but the handle was really big and no finger marks, so little bit tough to use at the starting, but after use of 20 days it was really comes into my hand and it works free. Usually I'm not recommended for the children because of the big thing, but here there is no flexibility. They are a little bit big, so we need to open the mouth a little bit wide, but not going to irritate you in any way. And I see the bristle small enough and cleaning was phenomenal and a wonderful brush for cleaning. If you want a good brush for cleaning, this is really good. I am see some of the flakes like small black particles comes from my teeth, and see the brush was a little bit bent on the back side. You can see. So we need to give some effect to end the reaching point. I don't know why they bend the brush at the back side. If it was bent on the front side, then it was really good. So I need to give a extra effect to reach the end of the brush. You can see in the video. See, there's no finger point, so sometimes brush stands and not cleaning properly. See, I need to lift the back side high to reach the correctly. Whole bristle was based on my teeth. The brush was not the flexible brush, so they need to fix the problem. Is really good. Otherwise, a good toothbrush for the usage for cleaning. So whatever toothbrush is 17 days battery is really excellent. See the symbol. And we need to see the mirror during the brushing because there's no finger grip. So sometimes the brush stands sideways and not cleaning properly. Button quality really indicator was really good. 6 modes are really working well. Bristle point was soft. Both are soft. Don't need to worry. Solely old age people also use the brush. No problem. And the motor was inside the brush, so only the brush was big. And see the timer control fantastic. They separate the mouth 4 parts into 4 and giving 30 seconds for every part. And the interval between the timer also works really good. 30 seconds timing was really good, but the interval between the timing was only 1 second was the problem. If it increased to 3 seconds or 5 seconds, then it is really good. So only we can able to change the brush from one side to one side. Really has another good thing about the brush. And see the 6 modes. In the high intensity mode, it helps for whitening the teeth and remove the stains. First indicator will blinking, and the second mode was ideal was everyday usage. So the mentioning high intensity mode was only for some days and maximum medium intensity was used. So second indicator for the second mode, medium intensity mode, and the low intensity is best for gentle teeth, useful for old people. So it's best for gum cleaning. So third one is for gum cleaning, and the fourth one is gum care. It gently massage the gum and for best circulation, because here is only 3 indicators. So first one, fourth one was indicator, both were same. So fifth one was sensitive care. So for sensitive teeth, you can use the fifth mode to protect your teeth, gentle vibration. And sixth one was deep cleaning, provides an innovating cleaning. So it's a deep cleaning. Sixth mode for third button will blinking. So 6 modes with the 3 lights, don't confuse. The last mode was stored in a memory and randomly comes into front once you turn on the brush. So don't need to change the modes every time you start using. Now see about the sound. It's the first mode I'm going to use. Now move to second mode. See, check the sound of the bristle. It's third mode. And fourth mode. Click button twice to change to the fourth mode. See, same button for first and fourth mode. And now is the fifth mode. And sixth mode. I prefer sixth mode. I prefer first and fourth are my favorite. So choosing the option was yours, and the quality of the bristle was really good. So not going to irritate you in any way. Small and enough, but the not flexible head and slightly on the back side was the only problem. But still it was good. If you got a practice, then slowly you will clean your teeth in a minimal effect. So it's a good product with a big battery. They see the indicators bright in sunlight, and it's a bristle. How it works, really fantastic. 3 modes are best in the 6 modes. The 6 modes are really works fine. The big battery and the charging, the IPS 7 rating was another fantastic. Single charge 20 days battery is phenomenal. And see the button quality also fine, but not having enough grip. Still it was not slippable. If they give grip, then it's really good. The head also really good. I'm not seeing any heating problem in the brush, in the head or in the battery area. During charging also it only slightly heat, so no problem. See the bristle small enough and a small amount of paste was needed. And the foaming is really good, and it's a fantastic toothbrush. Quality was fantastic. The head also available outside separately, so don't need to worry. Check the product link in the description, and first come and check the more details about the toothbrush. I think the review was very useful. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will reply in 6 hours. If you want a toothbrush under 1K for cleaning, best cleaning, then this is a toothbrush for you. I solely recommend a toothbrush for all from age 12 to old age with a 6 modes, fantastic battery, build quality fine, small bristle and wonderful toothbrush for cleaning. Thank you 7. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you 7.